Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and just have it ready. Now on the phone itself, we're gonna swipe down from the top right side of the screen, click on the power button right here, and choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your volume up and power button at the same time, and when you start holding it, you're gonna plug in the cable. So I'm holding it right now, plug in. You get this Galaxy logo. When you do, let go of the power button, and this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now grab the cable and just unplug it. Samsung is annoying, so we only need it to get it into this mode. No other device needs that. Anyway, so while we're in here, touchscreen doesn't work, so we need to use our volume buttons. And with those volume buttons, we're gonna scroll down and select wipe cache partition. When it's selected, confirm it using your power button. Then just confirm that by selecting yes. As you can see, it's pretty quick, it's already finished. You can see cache wipe complete and reboot system now is selected by default, so press the power button once more, and this will bring you back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.